welcome back to another Everything Dentistry video. Today we're going to be talking about the top front end view questions on the perceptual ability test. This video is for aspiring dentists to help them achieve the highest score possible on the DAT. Similarly to the keyhole questions, this section of the DAT involves being able to visualize different perspectives of an object. So some quick housekeeping things. When we're looking at these types of views right here, the dashed lines are lines that are not immediately visible and they are underlying the object. So in order to approach this problem, we need to be able to visualize this object from different perspectives. So in this top perspective, we're just going to jump right into the question here. We can see these dashed lines. We're going to ignore these dashed lines for a second, and we see that looking down upon the object, we're going to see 1, 2, 3 distinct sections. Okay, so we can go over to our answer choices here and make sure that from the top there are 3 distinct sections, as all of these answers do. So we can see we have a line here, 1, 2, 3 distinct sections. That's what I'm talking about, or 3 distinct levels. And we can see that again in B, C, and D. Now, moving on to the end view of this object, we can see again we have a dashed line and we have 2 subsections. So as we can see here, looking from the side view, we have 1, 2 sections, 1, 2 sections, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So right now, all of these answers are viable answers. So the answer must depend on these dashed lines. So looking at the answers here, we can see that it is possible, while looking at the front, to have this hollow area right here, which these lines represent. So as we can see, these dashed lines here go all the way through the object. So we know that there's going to be a hollow canal when looking at the object from the front. So as we can see, A, B, and C all have this hollow canal. D shows that the lines are not going all the way through the object and that there's something solid there, which we know it cannot be D. Now with D eliminated, we need to review A, B, and C in order to determine the correct answer. So looking at this, we can see that A does not have any other solid lines, or I'm sorry, looking at this, A does not have any other dashed lines. B has some dashed lines showing here, and C shows more dashed lines here, meaning that there's some other structure behind that. But looking at it from the top and side view, we know that there are no additional structures or lines that are unseen here. So the correct answer in this case is A, because it fits the description of this dashed line on the side. We can see these 2 lines here, dashed lines, correspond to these 2 lines here, because looking down upon the object you can't actually see them. However, they are there underneath the structure. Another giveaway for this correct answer is looking at it from the side. You see that it has 2 subsections, and then also you see a ledge right here, which is you cannot see directly from this side view. And one of the key things and key points to pay attention to is these dashed lines. These dashed lines are not significant in both B and C, so the correct answer is A. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like me to go over any specific questions, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you soon.